FCT has recorded the following milestones in the race to 2015 on good governance: extensive baseline survey in 858 communities, and also an upscale survey of all the communities in the Federal Capital Territory as of 2009. The Federal Capital Economic Empowerment and Development Strategy 2010 to 2012. The development of sector strategy plans and management information systems in the mandate secretariats. On water and sanitation, 188 community water schemes were completed and are operational across the 6 area councils. 437 primary schools water scheme and 423 toilets with water closet, wash and basin facilities were provided in FCT Universal Basic Education schools. The quest to achieve universal basic education, 585 classrooms have been constructed for both primary and JSS to accommodate 23,400 pupils in 2007 to 2009. 21 classrooms were rehabilitated. 598 sets of classroom furniture were provided to both primary and junior secondary schools. 178,480 instructional materials, 60,000 reference textbooks, and furnishing of 7 libraries in 7 junior secondary schools. 1,680 classmate personal computers called Classmate PCs were supplied to 14 junior secondary schools, and 4 teachers in each of the 14 schools were trained. On healthcare, 12 prototype PHC clinics are being constructed with 12 blocks of staff quarters across the 6 area councils under MDGs CGS program. 6 PHC clinics were constructed in these communities in the FCT under MDGs DRG program. 3 maternity, mini theater, children ICU, accident and emergency units constructed at Abaji Kwali Kubwa Hospital under the MDGs DRG program. Programs such as free antenatal care, free under 5s treatment, and the midwife services scheme to the residents are provided. Nutrition services, HIV/AIDS programming, rollback malaria strategy are all implemented in line with approved guidelines. On mobile health care delivery services, Malafia focused on providing healthcare services to poor and hard-to-reach 52 clusters in 336 communities without functional primary healthcare center PHC facilities. Each cluster is being visited at least twice a week in order to achieve MDGs 4, 5, and 6. On youth empowerment, over 700 women and youth were trained in different vocational skills. Similarly, more than 300 women and youth were trained in entrepreneurship development. 60 farms of about 600 hectares were opened in 60 communities of the 6 area councils to encourage youth to go into farming activities and alleviate poverty as well as reducing unemployment. 5 numbers of tractors, farm inputs, 120 bags of improved seeds, 80 cartons of pesticides, 1,800 metric tons of fertilizer were provided for the program. 80 agric extension workers were attached to provide agricultural extension services to the farmers and were provided with 30 motorcycles and 30 communication gadgets. A total of 30 million naira has been disbursed to over 600 women and youths as microcredit loan for small business startup and expansion. 7 youths are being trained in football at Sia 1 Football Academy, Abuja. On partnership for development, FCT MDGs is partnering with Intel Corporation microchip leaders, and recently Microsoft Corporation joined to support the FCT in providing e-health deployment platform and grow the mobile integrated health services Milafia record for online data input and retrieval. FCT MDGs, in collaboration with 4 microfinance banks, has provided 30 million naira microfinance window for women and youth entrepreneurs for access loans. FCT MDGs has entered into a tripartite arrangement with CGS, FCT, and Abaji Area Council to provide a comprehensive mini water supply scheme for Abaji and its environment. This will provide water to about 20,000 inhabitants of the area council who have for years been living without good source of potable drinking water. Corvinus University, Budapest, Hungary, and United Nations Development Assistance Framework 2, and the International Institute for Tropical Agriculture, IITA, Ibadan, have indicated interest to partner with the FCT MDGs in its Community Empowerment Agricultural Initiative.